In today's video, we are going to be reviewing the top and best-known cryptocurrency networks where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies. First on our list is Binance. Binance is the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world in terms of trading volume. It offers a wide range of cryptocurrencies, advanced trading features, and various options for buying and selling, such as spot trading, futures trading, and margin trading. Here are some of the things we like about Binance. It offers an extensive selection of cryptocurrencies and trading pairs. The fees are competitive, and they offer discounted rates for BNB holders. They offer advanced trading features including futures and margin trading. It has high liquidity and trading volume. The platform has a user-friendly interface suitable for beginners and experienced traders alike. Next on our list is the Coinbase crypto network. Coinbase is a user-friendly exchange that caters to both beginners and experienced traders. Based in the United States, it allows users to buy and sell a variety of cryptocurrencies using fiat currencies. Coinbase also provides a secure wallet for storing digital assets. Here are some of the things we like about Coinbase. Like Binance, we found that Coinbase was also a user-friendly platform, suitable for beginners. Coinbase supports multiple fiat currencies for buying and selling cryptocurrencies. It offers a secure wallet for storing digital assets. Coinbase is regulated and insured in the United States. With a Coinbase Pro account, you can access advanced trading features. Number 3 on our list is the Kraken crypto network. Kraken is a popular cryptocurrency exchange known for its security features and robust trading platform. It supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies and offers various trading options, including spot trading, margin trading, and futures trading. Kraken offers competitive fees with a tiered fee structure. You can access advanced trading options, such as margin and futures trading. Kraken has strong security measures and a proven track record of this. Next up is the BitStamp crypto network. BitStamp is one of the oldest cryptocurrency exchanges and has a strong focus on regulatory compliance and security. It supports a limited number of cryptocurrencies, but its user-friendly platform and transparent fee structure make it an attractive option for many traders. Key features of the BitStamp network include a long-standing positive reputation and track record in the industry. It has a strong focus on regulatory compliance and security. The platform supports major cryptocurrencies and fiat currency options for trading. There is a transparent fee structure in place so you know what you'll pay. In fifth, we have the Gemini crypto network. Gemini is a US-based exchange founded by the Winklevoss twins, who you might know as the brothers with the founding idea of Facebook that sued and won their case against its CEO, Mark Zuckerberg, back in 2004. It is known for its commitment to regulatory compliance and security, offering a safe and user-friendly platform for buying, selling, and storing cryptocurrencies. It offers a user-friendly platform for buying, selling, and storing cryptocurrencies. Gemini supports major cryptocurrencies and a selection of DeFi tokens and stablecoins too. It is regulated and insured in the United States. In sixth place, we have the eToro crypto network. eToro is a multi-asset trading platform that allows users to trade cryptocurrencies, stocks, and other financial instruments. Its social trading features enable users to follow and copy the trades of successful traders, making it an attractive option for those new to cryptocurrency trading. The social trading feature is one of its most prominent pros on the list of things we like about eToro. It supports a variety of cryptocurrencies, including major assets and altcoins too. The platform is user-friendly, suitable for beginners and more advanced traders alike. eToro is regulated in multiple jurisdictions and also offers trading of traditional assets like stocks, commodities, and forex trading alongside cryptocurrencies. So that wraps up our list of the top 6 and best-known trading platforms. Let us know your thoughts and experiences with these platforms in the comments below. And if you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe for all the latest crypto news and updates.